So, bowl, pour in, best way. Someone tell me the best way how to pour this in without causing too much mess. Come on. Hold that. That's a great start. Thank you. And then what? Because if you try to tip this, see, to go everywhere, you don't want that. So hold this nice and steady, and then
Like
a bit higher, good, and then tip it in. Now sometimes if you tip it a bit too high, then you could have a bit of splash, not too high. So bring it a bit low, turn, yeah, and then you have bits and pieces. Now for those of you who are not confident or worried about the heat, it's good to use a fork or a spoon. But me, I'm used to doing this. I'm gonna pick it up. Put that aside. Then the next one. Now based on the number of people who are actually here, we thought we'd make this bit. So who would like to try this one? Ashika, could you please try? Yeah, don't be afraid. Take one hand, but first thing first. You heard what he said, right? Hold this first. Okay? And then you lift, bring it close. Yeah. What? Oh, lift it, man. Hold on. Let go. Are you serious? It's not that heavy. Come on. Use your muscles, man. Come on. Yeah, one hand. Lift one hand. Let me see. That's it. Oh my God, really? With all that rugby game? All right, Enro. Okay, good. Enro, you watch. Enro will do it. Will demonstrate. Come on. Hold. Okay. And then tip. Nice and easy. Good. Perfect. Ah, brilliant. Okay, and the ones that are in, these are in. Yeah. Use a fork to get them in. There you go. Perfect. Excellent. All right. Now we need something to stir this with the cheese. So can you get me like a big spoon or a spatula in one of those cupboards over there? Now, well, yeah, I'll use it. Yeah, that's all. Actually, the other one will be better. It's like, yeah, that's it. Perfect. Brilliant. All right. Could you give this a rinse? Could you give this a rinse for me? A quick rinse in the tap. Yours is coming very shortly. Exactly 30 seconds. All right. Now I'll need one of you to sprinkle some cheese in here. Can we keep it all in here? Come on. It'll be your turn there. Yeah. All right. So I'll bring this here. I want you to sprinkle some cheese in here. We're gonna stir it nice in it nicely. I'll hold it. You sprinkle. Take some cheese. Yeah. You know how to sprinkle cheese? No. Watch what I'm doing. Don't put it all in your hands like this. What are you gonna do? Hit it with someone? Yeah. Take this and then sprinkle just a little bit. It's not gonna run away. Yeah. Like that. That's right. Yeah. And do it around. Come on. Yeah. That's right. Put some effort into it. There you go. Yeah. Some effort. There you go. Yeah. Pretend like you care. Yeah. All right. Put it around. There you go. Now we're going to stir it in. And once you've stirred it in, you put the cheese.
When you do that.
Yeah, who's an old man? I mean, like you being an old lady, yeah. All right, cool. Now, okay, nice and stir. Now watch. Now when you're stirring something like this,
Fold.
yeah, that's it. Perfect. You fold, yes. And then move it back, fold, because you want to bring the ones under on top and the ones on top under. Yeah, we're gonna put the next batch of cheese right underneath. Yeah. Okay, so what's gonna happen is the cheese is gonna melt nice and neat in here. We're gonna put a little bit of salt as well and pepper. So, Enro, could you look for salt and pepper in one of the boxes, please? I'll need you to carry on with the sprinkles. Let's go. Come on.
Can I hold it?
Yeah. Hold what? The cheese or the bowl? All right, you hold and you sprinkle. Yeah. Okay. Now you come around this way because he's used to doing it from their side. Yeah. All right, carry on. I'll help you find the salt and the pepper. Now. Look at that one, I'm looking at this one. Found the pepper, there you go. So this one says we have black pepper here, and then salt. And then I think it's actually in here, so I'll see if I can find it, yeah? If the pepper is in here, then the salt will definitely be here as well. See what I did?
Oh my God.
How we going?
So, fold it.
Outside the bowl.
Are you serious? Okay, you fold it nice and slow. Watch what I'm doing. Watch what I'm doing.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's so sad.
Yeah, there you
He
go.
nearly had that though. He nearly had.
Well,
He was going for it.
Yeah, but it would be very nice once they see all the cheese is melting in. So I'm gonna put some black pepper inside. Well, you're gonna be eating very soon.
Black
yeah?
pepper.
Yeah.
I like that.
There you go. And then we're gonna put some we're gonna put some salt as well. Yeah. Now I'll need to find the salt first. Where is it?
Bad.
Who's got the salt?
You should be organized, Moses.
I am not organized.
You said me and Liam will organize the rest.
I am. What? You guys are supposed to. It's your cooking program. Shouldn't you be organized? Did you find it? Or did you bang your head instead? That's not salt. Hey, You're supposed to look for salt, not go,
Geneva could have stolen it.
You think Geneva stole my damn salt?
Yeah.
Alright, move your hands. I think, hold on. Too many people looking for one tiny salt.
Alright.
Found it.
Found it.
No, it's baking powder.
Oh my. Hey, look at me. Look at me.
Hold on. I found it!
I found a snack.
Yes, put it away. Alright. Hey. Put it away. Come here, please. Now.
Yum.
Alright, put it in a bit. Okay? So what do you think? Hey. And move your face away before I cook your face as well.
Excuse me.
Hey. Not in my kitchen, thank you very much. Alright. And then the eggs, we can chop. What we're gonna do is chop up the eggs in here. Yeah, we chop up the eggs. And then we carry on from there. Thank you very much. Alright, what do you mean it's not fair? It looks pretty good then.
Not fair.
It's not fair.
Okay.
Alright.